Yo, what is going on? So this is how to fix Kling AI generator stuck at 99%. So first keep in mind that there might be free account limitations that are causing that problem. The glitch may be specific to free accounts. Consider upgrading to a paid account, as several users have reported that paid accounts worked fine without getting stuck at 99%. If you have some dirty prompts, remove any remotely explicit or offensive language from your prompts. As Kling AI censorship may be causing the generation to hang at 99%. High volume of inquiries might be the problem, since Kling AI is experiencing a high volume of inquiries, so the system might be laggy, which might be contributing to issues. Be patient and try checking your generator again later. Important updates are being implemented, which may be causing temporary distributions. Keep an eye on the official channels for any announcements or potential fixes or any reports. Including start and end frame images for video generation can significantly speed up the process and avoiding getting stuck at 99%. So add a start and end frame images might help. And that is it.